Jack opened his garage door and sighed. Tools, paint cans, and tangled extension cords were scattered everywhere. Every time he needed a wrench, it was a 20-minute treasure hunt. Something had to change. Jack steps into the cluttered garage, tripping over a loose hammer. He mutters in frustration, digging through a pile of wrenches, only to realize he's wasting time again. Later that evening, Jack scrolls through DIY home organization ideas. He stumbles upon a video showcasing pegboards, labeled bins, and shelving. Inspired, he grabs a notepad and starts sketching his storage plan. Determined, Jack buys pegboards, hooks, and plastic bins. He spends the weekend installing shelves, hanging tools on pegboards, and labeling storage containers. His garage starts looking like a professional workspace. A week later, Jack steps into his garage and smiles. Everything has a place. Finding tools is effortless. His once chaotic space is now an organized, functional workspace. Jack's DIY storage project turned chaos into order. Home maintenance is now easier, and so is life.